Hi guys, a couple of weeks ago my dad bought a 2008 Mercedes convertible CLK and the radio in it is rubbish. It's so old, it's even got one of these. So today we are going to install this Bluetooth attachment which will let us listen to Spotify and music through our phones.
You're watching Family Flyouts does DIY.
So first thing we need to do is take stuff apart to take out the radio. So first thing we just need to remove the trim around the gear stick. So next we need to remove the trim around the gear stick and it should pop out in a similar way, like that. So now we need to remove the ashtray. This one's a bit loose, but this one we can just get the screwdriver under it and pop it out. So there are two screws which need a T20 screwdriver and I'm just going to go and undo them. Now all we have to do is pull this off and put it to the side as well. Now undoing these two bolts and that will release the radio. So to get this out, there are three clips, one here, and one here. Now I have a trim removal tool and all you need to do is a bit of work and crowbar it out. Okay, so you have two more screws here and here, and that will release the top of the radio. Now we should be able to pull out the radio. Oh, it's moving. I can see it. Class 1 laser product. Okay, this is really heavy. We've unplugged the radio and our Bluetooth wire should fit in here. It's also got a positive and negative, and we want it to only come on when the ignition's on. And we found a switchable positive on the back of the cigarette lighter. So with our positive in the cigar lighter and our negative in the earth, we have 12 volts. But when the engine's turned off, you can see we go down to 0. So we've extended our wire and we're going to join the positive to the switchable positive. Now we do the same with the earth wire. So we reached a bit of a problem. When we plugged the radio back into the car, the Bluetooth turned off. So after a bit of troubleshooting, we discovered the problem. And now we've plugged it into an earth at the back of the ashtray, which I'm connecting now. So now we're going to plug everything back in, put the radio together and see if it works. So now it's all back together, let's see if it works. So we're going to go to settings, and then Bluetooth, and then Bluetooth, and it should connect now. Okay, then we're going to play a song on Spotify. Now we're going to turn the radio on. And now we're going to play a song on Spotify. So it works, and we can get rid of this old thing, which will give us more room in the glove blocks. But now we have a problem. Not sure if you could hear it, but the speaker's blowing. So that's our next job. Join us next time when we upgrade the speakers.